There's our new little girl. She's only a week old. Say hi, Emma. Oh, hiccup. Hiccup. This kid does nothing but eat and has hiccups all the time. Those are big ones.